professional interior office style. Most of these videos that we have posted before are of residential, so this is a little different. So now, obviously looking at the first reception area, you would think that it's too glamorous, but that's how the plan was. There are three companies which are going to operate from this office space. One of them is hospitality, other one is infrastructure, and third one is agro-based products. So being hospitality, they have a very nice restaurant here in Thane, 2-3 restaurants, a chain of restaurants. Hence we went a little glamorous with a chandelier and some lights here and the marble over here on the back side of the reception table. So obviously it's not completed yet. There are a lot of things to be finished. The switchboards and the switch plates are all out, and a lot of things are yet to be finished. We will be showing you the final video very soon. So I'll just tour you around through the entire office space.